I've spent the last month turning my house into a testing lab to find the best smart home gadgets that actually make life easier. Most of what you see online is just marketing fluff, so I bought these 5 devices to see which ones survive real-world use. If you're tired of glitchy tech, stick around. I've figured out what works.
Product number 1. Third Reality Zigbee Vibration Sensor. When I first unboxed this 3-pack, I was surprised by how small and lightweight they are. They don't feel like bulky security gear. I stuck one on my dryer and another on a forbidden snack drawer to see how sensitive they really are. What's cool is the physical switches on the side. I didn't have to menu dive in an app just to adjust the sensitivity. I set the dryer one to low so it doesn't freak out, but kept the drawer one high. The 110 decibel alarm is seriously loud. It'll definitely scare off a curious toddler or a thief. Since it's Zigbee 3.0, it popped right up in my Echo and Home Assistant setup without a fight. If you want to know exactly when your laundry's done, or if someone's messing with your windows, these are a total steal for the price.
Product number 2. Olight Marauder Mini 2. Holding this flashlight feels like holding a piece of heavy-duty machinery. It's got a satisfying weight to it, and the grip is perfect for one-handed use. I took this out into the woods behind my house, and the 10,000 lumen floodlight literally turned night into day. The best part is the toggle switch. I can flick from a wide flood to a 750-meter spotlight instantly. I also love the rotary knob. It's much more intuitive than clicking a button 10 times to find the right brightness. The battery level indicator is color-coded, so I never had to guess if I was about to be left in the dark. It's definitely an investment, but if you do a lot of camping or want the ultimate emergency light for your truck, this thing is built like a tank and performs even better. Product number 3. Olight iMini 2 Keychain Light. I've been carrying this little OD green light on my keys for 2 weeks, and I barely notice it's there until I need it. It's about the size of a AA battery. My favorite feature is the ripcord activation. You just pull the light away from the magnetic cap and it snaps on instantly. It's way faster than fumbling with a tiny switch in the dark. I used the magnetic base to stick it to the underside of my sink while fixing a leak, which was a lifesaver. When the battery ran low, I just plugged the tail directly into a USB port. No cables needed. It only hits 50 lumens, so it's not for searching the woods, but for finding keyholes or navigating a dark hallway, it's the perfect always-on-you tool. Every EDC fan needs one of these. Product number 4. Zoo's 800 series Z-Wave Dimmer ZEN77. Replacing old switches can be a nightmare, but the first thing I noticed about this Zoo's dimmer is how slim it is. It's only about an inch deep, so it actually fits into those crowded electrical boxes without me having to shove and pray. I installed this in a 3-way setup with my existing dumb switches, and I didn't have to buy any special add-on gear, which saved me $20 right there. The response time is instant thanks to that 800 series chip. I programmed mine so a double tap brings the lights to faux brightness immediately. It's also been rock solid with my Home Assistant hub, never dropping offline once. If you're building a Z-Wave network and want a dimmer that handles LEDs without that annoying flickering, this is the one to get. Product number 5. Tempest Weather Station. I've had this sitting on a pole in my backyard, and it honestly looks like something from a sci-fi movie. There are no spinning cups or moving parts to break, which is a huge relief because my old station used to get stuck in the ice. It's solar powered, so I haven't had to touch it since I put it up. The data it sends to my phone is wild. I get lightning strike alerts and rain start times down to the second. I actually linked it to my smart irrigation system, so my sprinklers don't run if the tempest knows it just rained. It's hyper-local, which is way more accurate than the generic weather app on my phone. If you're a data nerd or just want to automate your home based on the actual weather, this is incredible. Outro. Those are my top picks for keeping your home smart and your gear ready. I put links to all of these in the description below so you can check the latest prices. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.